Hello, I'm EhiGTL. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're looking at the foundation of setting up yourself for law school success. This is to all my law school students out there, bar aspirants to the bar. Starting law school can feel like stepping into a whole new world. New subjects, new ways of studying that pressure you to do well, but here's the truth. Students who end up thriving are not the ones that are the brightest, alright? They are those that get the basics from the beginning. So the first thing I will tell you is know your territory. Know what is ahead of you. You'll be handling civil litigation. These are your 5 courses: civil litigation, criminal litigation, corporate practice, professional ethics and skills, property law. So start paying attention to the rules of these courses. By the rules, I mean you have your ROPC, your rules of professional conduct. So start paying attention to the rules, alright, applicable. Your civil procedure rules, your rules of professional ethics, it shows up everywhere and it gives you an edge over your classmates. Start with learning the rules first. Secondly, attendance is your lifeline. About the classes, yes, there is 70% attendance requirement. Do not skip classes. This is actually very important because honestly, if you are to get accustomed with the changes, the updates, you need to be in class. It is not negotiable. Thirdly, find your rhythm. You can't be someone who studies alone. You prefer to study alone and then you go attach yourself to some group consistently. How do you want to cope with that? So find what works for you. Know what works for you. Like I say, test run many structures and stick with the one that works. Fourthly, consistency is formula. You must be consistent. It is not about pulling it all night, alright? Do something every day. If you're in the mood for heavy reading, great. Try MCQs when you're not in the mood. You cannot cram the laws in 1 month. The system rewards what you do now, what you start early, not what you do in your last minute rush. Remember, you are in law school to excel, so set realistic goals. Don't let the imposter syndrome mess you up. In my next video, I'll be talking about the imposter syndrome, how it shows up and what you can do to avoid it. It's not just about studying. What mindset are you studying with? All right.